Alright, let's get real for a second. Have you ever wondered what psychologists actually want you to know about their field? I mean, beyond the stereotypes, beyond the cliches you see in movies? Today, I'm breaking down the secrets of psychology, straight from the experts. First things first, psychology isn't just about reading minds or telling people how to feel. It's a science, a serious one. Psychologists spend years studying how the brain, emotions, and behavior all connect. So, if you think it's all about Freud and sofas, trust me, you're missing out on 90% of the picture. Here's something most people get wrong. Psychologists can't fix your problems overnight. Therapy isn't a magic trick where you walk in sad and walk out happy. Progress takes time, effort, and a lot of self-reflection. And honestly, sometimes you feel worse before you get better. That's totally normal. Now let's bust another myth. Psychology isn't only for people with mental problems, it's about understanding yourself. Why you do what you do, why you think the way you think. Even if you're just curious about your habits, relationships, or motivation, a psychologist can help you figure it out. No shame in getting to know yourself a little better, right? Oh, and about mental health, here's what the experts wish you knew. It's just as important as physical health. You wouldn't ignore a broken leg, so why ignore anxiety or depression? Psychology teaches us that your mind and body are connected, and both deserve the same level of care. Ever heard of confirmation bias? That's a fancy way of saying, your brain loves to prove itself right, even when it's wrong. Psychologists want you to know that everyone has biases. Recognizing them is the first step to making better decisions. So, the next time you're convinced you're always right, maybe pause and check the facts. Here's a big one. Psychologists don't judge. Their job is to listen, understand, and help, not to label you as crazy or broken. If you ever feel judged, you're probably in the wrong office. The goal is to create a safe space where you can be yourself, flaws and all. And finally, psychology is always evolving. What we knew 20 years ago has changed drastically. Experts want you to stay curious, keep learning, and never assume you know it all. Because when it comes to the human mind, there's always something new to discover. So, next time you think about psychology, remember, it's not just about fixing problems, but unlocking your full potential. Dive in, explore, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Because understanding your mind, that's the real secret to living your best life.